Welcome to the School Subjects game. This simple yet effective activity helps participants engage actively with school subjects, improving focus, retention, and collaboration. By the end of this activity, you will 1. Understand school subjects more easily. 2. Actively participate and improve focus. 3. Learn how to sort key information effectively, working both individually and with peers. This game is fun, interactive, and can even be adapted for online learning. You'll need a prepared activity sheet with a 3-column table. Here's how it works. The first column contains questions about key concepts from the lesson. In the second column, you'll draw clues to answer the questions on your own. Finally, you'll pair up with another participant to share your thoughts and fill out the third column together. Step 1. Start with the first column of questions. Think carefully about each one and use drawings or symbols in the second column to represent your potential answers. Step 2. Once you've completed your clues, team up with a partner. Share your reflections and compare your ideas to fill out the third column together. Step 3. After everyone has shared, the facilitator will reveal the correct answers. You can compare your answers and make any necessary adjustments. Step 4. To review, hide the second and third columns and try answering the questions again on your own. This helps reinforce your learning. Remember, the first phase, drawing your clues, may take more time, so don't rush. The goal is to think creatively and deeply about the lesson. This activity can also be done online, where you can share your reflections digitally in pairs or groups. After the activity, reflect on what you've learned. Did this method help you understand the subject better? Did working with a partner make the activity more engaging? How will you use this method in the future? Facilitators can evaluate the activity by comparing performance before and after the game, observing faster learning results, and gathering student feedback. The School Subjects game is a fantastic way to make learning interactive, collaborative, and memorable. Try it out today and see how it transforms your approach to studying.